Welcome explorers, welcome to the next Cacao Adventure. So today we got blocks. I only have the tropical desert block right now and the high Amazon basin block. We're also coming out with a Sacred Valley block, which isn't here yet. But yeah, anyways, if you do want to start a block, you want to make a drink out of a block, I'll show you. This one does require a little more elbow grease than the coins, but that's fine. It's a lot of people like blocks because it gives you a little more of a ritual. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get it out of the wrapper. Found it. So the nice easy tear. You can then remove it from here. So now you have your nice untempered Cacao Adventures block. This one's gonna require some elbow grease, like I said, so you're gonna chop. I recommend either chopping like that, or you can shave it down. Grab a nice edge, start shaving it down, little by little. What's nice about shaving it is that you're gonna get these barky bits. They're gonna be really, really easy to melt because there's a lot of surface area. Next, you're gonna grab your cup of where you're gonna make your drink. Watch out with the knife, and you're gonna put all your shavings in there. A little more focus. And then we just grab our water. Then we're going to just add, just like the coins, you're gonna add a little bit of water to just barely cover everything, and you're gonna let it sit. You probably don't need to let it sit for that long as the coins because, like I said, there's gonna be a lot of surface area. Then you can just grab your whisk and whisk it up. Like I said, watch out always with adding too much water at the beginning because you might spill all over the place if you're using an electric whisk. That's the nature of centrifugal force. And always just give it slight taps to mix it up at the very end. And enjoy. So when you're making a drink with a block, it's always gonna be difficult to quantify how much of it you're gonna use, how much you need to use. You can always use a scale and weigh it out, or just kind of go by eye and then dilute it little by little with water until you get to your perfect mixture. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and follow to see more of our videos, and we'll be uploading a good amount of recipes and stuff from our trip. And if you want more on how to prepare cacao, or if you just want more of my explanations on everything that comes with cacao, ceremonial cacao, or chocolate making, please let us know in the comments, and we'll see what people want and we'll do your bidding.